A new study says clinical trials for biomedical research are too white. Sam Oh, one of the study's researchers, told NPR the lack of diversity in clinical trials can cause confusion over why certain drugs work for some but not for others.
African Americans and Puerto Ricans don't respond as well to some of the most common asthma controller medications, and that's really a tragedy since these two groups are also the most affected by asthma in the United States.
While the National Institutes of Health's clinical trials are representative of the nation's population, research on certain diseases remain largely white.
Only 2% of cancer studies and less than 5% of pulmonary studies have studied enough minorities to provide useful information.
He seems to think the lack of diversity in trials stems from a number of things, including a low amount of funding to help reach out to minorities and a lack of diversity among researchers leading the studies. But the lack of diversity seems to be getting better. The NIH says between 2010 and 2014, some clinical trials saw an increase in Black participants from 10% to 23%. For Newsy, I'm Eugene Daniels.